In this question, you're being asked, find the product of these two binomials of complex numbers multiplying with each other. And the answer has to be in standard form from real number plus imaginary number. So let's go ahead and practice that. You have two choices here. You can either do the FOIL method, which is when you loop the multiplications with one another, or you can do the box method, which is when you fill in the spaces inside with the multiplications with each other. I'm going to demonstrate both just for those students that require either or. For the box, you need to write the factors on the outside, so 9 minus 2i on the top, and negative 4 plus 7i on the side. For those of you doing the FOIL method, you're going to just write the factors the way you have them. And then when you multiply one at a time, just be careful, keep track of the i's and the I squares and all that, what they represent. So the first thing we're going to do is multiply 9 times negative 4, which gives you negative 36. And we're going to put that negative 36 right here, 9 times negative 4. Then we have 9 times 7i, which will give you 63i. On this square, we're going to have 9 times 7i right here, so we're going to write positive 63i. Next, we're going to do negative 2 times negative 4, that is positive 8i, and that will be on this top corner, negative 4 times negative 2, that's positive 8i. And the last one will be negative 2 times positive 7i, so that's negative 14i squared, because I times I is I squared. And that will go in this corner right here, negative 14i squared. This is similar to what you did in Algebra 1, and pretty much the pattern of combining like terms follows in the box method here, where diagonally these two combine. Also, when you do the FOIL method, most likely those are here in the middle. So if we rearrange this to what needs to be combined, for sure these two do. Now, as far as the other ones, you need to remember here that this I square, anytime you have I square, it equals negative 1. Like, that's a fact. So whenever you remember that, you're going to see this and recall, oh, I need to look at this as negative 14 times negative 1, which results in positive 14. No I, no nothing, just a number. And because it's just a number, we're going to combine it with this other number. If you're doing the box method, same thing applies. You're just going to have to notice here in this corner, we have a negative 1 going in there for that I square. And then now this negative 14 has become a positive 14. That needs to be combined with that negative 36. So to finalize our work, we're going to remember standard form. The answer has to be in standard form, which is the real number plus the imaginary number. So if we look at our work, our real numbers are negative 36 plus 14. And then your imaginary numbers are these right here that we had circled in and pointed out to in the beginning. So 63i plus 8i. Okay, so let's go ahead and just simplify that. And you can use your calculator if you want. We're going to type negative 36 plus 14. That gives us negative 22. So we're going to have negative 22. And then we're going to have 63 plus 8, adding and combining the imaginary. That gives us 71. So we're going to put plus 71i. So this is the final answer for that.